What's up everybody, welcome back to another video within the Bits and Bytes series, and in this video we'll be talking about the newly teased SearchGPT by OpenAI. And just after their tease, everybody started losing their minds like, hey, we have the new Google killer in the house, and we've been hearing this for like last 2 years. Ever since ChatGPT was released, everybody considered like a Google killer. It is true in some sense, like I don't use Stack Overflow anymore. I barely use Google search to search my coding questions or explanations. I normally use ChatGPT or CodeStrol within my VS Code. So SearchGPT really serves a huge population of people who are not programmers, like researchers, digital marketers, and people who need authentic news along with the power of AI generated content. So you have to consider like a huge competition coming up for Google searches and other models as well, because people need this stuff. People need an element of search capability which can give you authentic news, because the biggest problems of LLM is hallucinations. Either you control hallucinations, which I'm pretty sure all these big names are trying to do so, but again, there would always be like that 1% lag. You just can't offer like 100% no hallucination models, so that's not possible. So we need elements of searching capabilities which can provide you authentic and accurate news. So for now, I'm on waitlist. I don't know when I'm gonna get access, but I'll super psyched to try it out. We have quite a lot of features here, like this would be the whole experience. Like you get the AI generated content and you get some references around it, like links and whatnot, which is perfect. We do get them within ChatGPT, but they're more like citations or references, but having that visual aid would really help. Next, we would have real-time information from relevant sources, which is awesome again, and search in more natural, intuitive way. I'm pretty sure they will be designing a more a better experience of searching, because it really feels flawless when you're using ChatGPT Plus, at least if you are a Plus user. As this news was sort of teased, Google actually went ahead and released Gemini 1.5 Flash within their Gemini experience. So here now, if you're using Gemini, you're using Gemini 1.5 Flash with a context window of 32K, which is for free usage. It's kind of great. And if you have used Gemini 1.5 Flash before, we have done a video on it of whether it is the fastest model. It used to be, but now it's replaced by Mistral Nemo, which has a better output token per second speed and even latency in some aspects. So, but it has been on the top of being the fastest model. It's still in top 3 at least. So the experience you're gonna get out of Gemini now, using it for free against ChatGPT, is going to be a considerable change. Here, let me demo this to you guys. So Mistral Nemo was released like this month. Considering the cutoff dates, Gemini 1.5 Flash wouldn't know about it, but let's sort of go ahead and ask it. Tell me more about Mistral Nemo. Hit enter, and so beforehand, Gemini, the whole Gemini experience by Google was using Gemini 1.0, which had a context window of 8K. Now, it's a lot better. So, okay, here we have a generated answer, but here, if you see, you get to double check your response by Google. So let's go ahead and click it. Now this here is an amazing experience to me. So now we get this kind of an experience, expand and collapse. You would see these green lit lights and you can expand it. And once you do, you get actual references from where the LLM actually picked this information from, which is amazing. Like this is from NVIDIA, and this is again from NVIDIA, blocks by NVIDIA. And there you have different aspects that you can reference, which is amazing. And definitely it, again, if LLMs can provide you the best accuracy or no hallucination experience, but this experience here is pretty pretty darn good. Like if I get to verify my response from, the best blogs out there, and if the information is coming out of those blogs, that's a win-win for me. So I'm pretty sure this is exactly what ChatGPT is trying to do with SearchGPT, and this will be the experience that they are actually promising. And it's pretty similar of what Google has already done for you. So I see some generative UI stuff within SearchGPT, but yet to try it. I'm sort of crossing my fingers to be surprised. Let's see. And yeah, so if you want to learn more about SearchGPT, you can just go to openai.com, and one of their blogs are basically about SearchGPT prototype. And if you want to go ahead and sort of really validate your research information, and any way you want to validate your information, you can use Gemini, which I am looking forward to using it. And that's it for this video. I hope the search wars have actually begun officially, and it's really good that Google is the first contender, but it would be amazing to see where this war actually takes us, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be all right. I'll see you in the next video.